Alright, so it's a little bit after midnight here in Georgia, but I figured I might as well make a video. So for years, people have been asking me every time they see me without my wig, aka my hat on, how do you get your curls to be so poppin' and yada yada yada. People have even accused slash asked slash accused me of twisting my hair, and I have this thing to say to them.
Let me tell you something, sweetheart. I don't understand. I don't know how y'all do shit where you from, but let me tell you something. Where I'm from, we don't do shit like that.
Alright, so let me show you what I do so you can stop asking me how I do the curls and how I get the curls to be popping. Alright, this is definitely not a paid promotion, but these right here, these bad boys, let me flip it. Show you. These bad boys. These are the only things I've ever used on my hair. These shampoos, and then I throw a little bit of this in it. But let me show you how I do it.